To add a phrase, a custom action, a built-in action, or a system response, I will select the Phrases icon when I load Nauvi software. Arrows will guide me through each process. Currently, I'm on the tab to add a custom system action, so I will click the box to type in the phrase I wish to use. I will use "Turn the living room lights on." Now that my phrase is added, I can select the corresponding outlets to turn on my lamps. One click turns the outlet on, indicated in green. Another click will toggle it off into red. And one more click will turn it to orange, or standby. If the outlet is orange, it will not perform any function when the phrase is spoken. So to turn on my lamps, I want to use green. And then I just have to click Add Custom Phrase. To add a built-in action, I will click the corresponding tab at the top. Then I will add the phrase I wish to use to the input box also located near the top of the program. After my phrase is entered, I will select the corresponding built-in action for my phrase. Next, I will select Add Built-in Action, and now I'm finished. You can continue the process and add in different built-in actions based on your requirements. A system response is a synthesized phrase that the system will speak after you give it a command. To add a system response, we click Add a System Response at the top. Now we select the phrase we have previously entered in the box to the left. This is the phrase we will speak to get the response from the system. Next, we will add the custom system response in the input box on the right and click Add. As we add each phrase, the list will accumulate on the lower right box. You can add as many responses per phrase as you would like. The system will randomly choose one of your corresponding responses each time. Let's give it a try. Wake up.
All 8 outlets have been turned on.
Perfect. You can also use dynamic variables with system responses. Let's add a phrase without any action, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We will use "What time do you have?"
What time do you have has been added.
We will also add "How is the weather today?"
I have added "How is the weather today?"
Now let's add system responses for both and add dynamic variables. I'm going to add "The current time is" bracket open, time, bracket close. And that's going to dynamically put the current time every time that I ask, "What time do you have?"
Response added, sir.
Let's give it a try. "What time do you have?"
The current time is 12:55 p.m.
Perfect. Now let's add one for the other. Open bracket, current conditions, to grab the current weather conditions, and then open bracket temp, close bracket for the temperature.
You have added a response to your phrase.
How is the weather today?
It looks like it is overcast and the temperature is 52 degrees.
Overcast. Typical Pennsylvania.